Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you fix the problem step by step. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Sun Vegas account. So Sun Vegas is a casino account, alright? So let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Sun Vegas login just like this. And after you search for Sun Vegas login, first option over here, online casino, click on it and make sure it takes you to sunvegas.co.uk. That's the official website of Sun Vegas. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. And on this page, you can click the login button at the top and it's going to show you this. Now, once this pop-up opens up where it says username or email, enter your email or username, whichever thing you have. And then where it says password, just enter the password of your account. After you do that, just click on login. And if the email and the password you entered over here was correct, or the username and password, you should be able to log in into your Sun Vegas account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.